guys, it's Christilani and I'm just gonna do an unboxing of this little Vanity Mirror Lights that I got. And look how big it is. It's really small, but it's perfect for what I'm going to use it for. And then when we open it, I'm glad it was this size because this is actually the size that I needed, because I have a small mirror that I'm going to put this on. And yeah, I'm going to go try and test it out. And it comes with, I think 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 light bulbs. And it comes with this here. You gotta plug it into the wall. And then it comes with the sticker. So I'm gonna go and test this out upstairs on my vanity. And this is from Amazon. Amazon is from. If you guys are looking for this size, look at it. It's really small, but that's good. Okay. So, well, anyways, this is the mirror that I'm gonna use it for. And it's not very. It's just a round, like an oval mirror. So it's just right. But it's just I wanted to try and put the lights on, so we're gonna go around here and put the lights. Alright guys, so it comes with this wires here, and then these. So this one you're gonna plug into all the lights. Let's try to get that going. This is not the most glamorous one, but I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with these. But it works, you know. It works. The lights work. Goes. That's how it looks. Alright guys, never mind my messy hair, but this is what it looks pretty nice to me. The lights look there. I can't really. I'm gonna have to see. I haven't used this to put makeup on yet because I was just trying to get everything ready. Okay, so this is how my messy hair is looking, but yeah, let's turn it off. Ooh. Okay, so there's like this color, that color, and I guess 3 colors. Yeah, like I think this was about $5 or $6 for the lights, so that works well for me. Like I said, I'm gonna have to ask Keanu to help me with the wires, because I'm not the. I didn't think it through, so. And there's the light. So let's see how the wire is looking, but I gotta ask Keanu if he can help me to make it look nice, maybe nicer a little bit. But I know that it's gonna work to put my makeup on. Yeah, okay. But I also can leave some lights out, but I just put all of them in just to test it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it looks kind of crazy, but it's okay because it's only me. Only me using this mirror, and I was gonna use it. I mean, that's all the lights to do videos with, and I have my ring light as well. So that was cute for $5, $6. So I got it at a good price. And if you're looking for other, I don't know, maybe this might help someone, but these are really small size lights, but they still work well for what I'm going to use. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and try review, whatever you guys want to call it, with my messy hair. Sorry, but you guys have a wonderful night. You guys take care and God bless. I'm trying to you know, get to where, I mean, I'm trying to get monetized, but it's been taking me a long time. But yeah, I guess everything happens for, you know, at the right time. You know, everything's gonna be okay. Just gotta relax and keep on going. I'll get monetized sooner or later. I'm not gonna rush it. But yeah, praying that it will, I hope this year it will start, or you know, it will get there. Because a little bit here and there helps a lot, you know. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys liked this video, but it was really cute except for all the wires and stuff. But hey, I'll work on it. Alrighty guys, you guys take care and God bless, and I will see you guys in my next video.